Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today I'm doing a full demonstration on the newest addition to the Philips LatteGo lineup. Today we're looking at the new 5500, offering 20 different beverages in hot and cold brew. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thanks for your support. Don't forget to like this video, hit the bell at the top, and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the main features of the machine. I'll show you how easy it is to brew a wide selection of hot or cold brew beverages. I'm going to demonstrate how easy and simple it is to use the 3-part tubeless LatteGo milk carafe that is dishwasher safe. I'll demonstrate how wonderful it is to have the extra shot feature, and of course we'll tie it all together and I'll demonstrate how to maintain the machine. This is our control panel. We have from the left side, Espresso, coffee, Americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, iced coffee, iced latte. Once you toggle into the more drinks, it's going to prompt you to select either hot or iced. Let's go into hot first. Now here are all of the hot drinks. We have, of course, our hot water, café crema, ristretto, espresso lungo, café au lait, café latte, flat white, travel mug, and our milk froth. We can go back, toggle into the iced coffee section, and here are all of our iced drinks. Iced espresso, iced Americano, iced café crema, iced cappuccino, iced café au lait, iced café latte. There are all of the drinks you could possibly desire built in to the Philips 5500 machine. Within the settings of each beverage, you have your strength setting where you can go up to increase the strength. When you go all the way to the top on a wide variety of beverages, you can access the extra shot function. If you were to go all the way down and you see the little scoop icon, that is for the bypass, where you can use a pre-ground through the bypass chute on the machine. The next row over is the length setting, so you can customize how long or short you want each beverage to be. Following that, you can select 1 or 2 servings. If we go into a milk-based beverage, you can access the bypass pre-ground, you can increase the strength, you can access the extra shot by going all the way up on the strength setting. We're going to go over to the next row. We can adjust the coffee length, and we're going to also have access to adjusting the milk length as well. For your milk-based beverages, you can make 1 at a time because the LatteGo milk carafe has 1 milk spout. Within the settings of the 5500, you can access 3 temperature settings. Let me show you where that is. We're going to scroll down to temperature. Here we have low, medium, and high. I like to keep it on high. There are 4 user profiles. There's the yellow profile, the blue profile, green, and we have the red profile. When you select that button and there is no color on the button, that means you're in the guest profile. So there's 4 user profiles plus 1 guest profile. What's included with the Philips 5500 machine? We have our water filter. This is the AquaClean water filter, little instruction manual. When you use this water filter, you do not have to descale the machine for a prolonged period of time. The machine will prompt you to change the water filter. This is the water hardness test strip you'll do initially when you're setting up your machine. The bypass chute measured scoop for your pre-ground coffee. Lubrication for the brewing unit, a little grease tube. And of course you have an assortment of manuals. Let's talk about the grinder and the bean hopper. We have our bean hopper lid that has the aroma seal, allowing the beans to stay fresh longer. here is the grinder adjustment knob. It goes from 1 being the finest to 12 being the coarsest. The grinder is a ceramic grinder for optimal, precise, consistent grind for your bean to cup experience. The grinder is very durable, made of ceramic. The bean hopper can hold 275 grams of beans. Today we are using our fair trade, locally roasted, super crema, non-oily beans. Over here is the bypass chute. You'll use 1 measured scoop of a pre-ground, often decaffeinated coffee, but you can buy a pre-ground in any strength of coffee or desired flavor, for example. You don't want to use flavored coffee beans because they're generally very gummy and oily. So if you wanted to use a flavored coffee or a different roast that someone else in the household doesn't want to top the bean hopper up with, just buy that in a pre-ground and you can use that very easily with the bypass chute. Next on the agenda, we're going to make some of the most popular beverages with the Philips 5500. We're going to start off with a iced espresso. It says to place 3 to 4 ice cubes into your glass. We have some crushed ice right over here. We can adjust the strength, we can adjust the volume, as well as 1 or 2 cups. That has a beautiful, nice cold temperature to it. The 5500 technology is that the water from the water tank goes into the brewing process. It bypasses the heating element. So it's using the room temperature water from the water tank into your beverage, ensuring that the true flavor profile is authentic with your beverage being prepared, where you don't have to over ice it and water the beverage down. Next, we're going to enjoy an iced latte. We're going to top up our LatteGo milk carafe. Next, from the control panel, iced latte is a primary beverage on the screen. So we can go ahead and click into that. It's asking to add some ice, which I have done. And we are going to make our iced latte with the extra shot feature. So that will prepare 2 shots of espresso in our beverage. We're going to go ahead and adjust the volume of our coffee and increase the volume of our milk foam. We have gorgeous layering. You can see how wonderful the micro foam and texture is on our milk froth. We've got our double shot of espresso layering in nicely with our milk. Next, we're gonna enjoy an iced cappuccino. Going into our extra beverage option here, iced drinks, and we're gonna go down to an iced cappuccino. Add your ice. Yes, I've added that. Adjust our strength, volume, and milk foam. I am a huge fan of how quiet the ceramic grinders are on the 5500. Now that the machine has ground the fresh beans, there's a moment in time here where those fresh grounds are marrying together with the water to extract the most amount of aroma and flavor. That's our pre-brewing. Really gorgeous iced cappuccino. Let's take a close look at our LatteGo tubeless milk carafe. It is 3 parts. Here we are. Right over here is the air chamber that is responsible for texturing and frothing all of your milk-based beverages. To assemble it, it is very quick and simple. You're going to listen for a click. There we go. And this is the lid. So it is very easy to wash by hand in the sink, or you can put it in the dishwasher. I will also demonstrate how to do a milk rinse cycle if you happen to be switching from a dairy milk to a non-dairy milk and you want to ensure that the internal component here and the chamber is cleared out. Quick rinse, yes. We're going to go ahead and complete our milk clean cycle. Let's now explore some of our popular hot-based beverages. We're going to start off with a coffee, and I'm going to toggle on the extra shot feature. We can go ahead and adjust the volume, and we're going to go ahead and brew. Next, we're going to brew an authentic Americano. Here we have a true Americano experience where the 5500 pulled a shot of espresso and separately accessed a portion of hot water. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and brew a hot espresso. Really lovely crema and very impressive hot temperature. Let's chat about some basic maintenance. Here is the drip tray. You can pull this out. The 5500 screen will tell you when the dredge drawer, spent puck drawer is full, and you can compost those grounds. There is a drip tray here. There is a little red riser. When that floats to the top, it's your indication to dump out the water that's accumulated in the drip tray. Water in the drip tray is 100% normal. We can reinsert this behind the water tank. You'll be able to access the heart of the machine, which is the brewing unit. You want to take this out once per week. Give it a rinse under just regular tap water. That will help maintain it and keep it nice and clean. You can shake it off, give it a really quick dry with a clean tea towel, and we can reinsert the brewing unit, close the door, and add the water tank back in place. The Philips 5500 LatteGo offers an impressive selection of 20 different beverages in hot and cold brew. Now you can enjoy cold brew beverages during the warmer months. The 5500 series features an extra shot function, which is one of my personal favorites. It has 4 user profiles plus a guest profile, ensuring your guests will never interfere with your saved preferences in your profile. The tubeless, dishwasher-safe LatteGo milk carafe is very easy to use, quick, simple to clean, and the machine has been redesigned with a beautiful backdrop which will complement all of your beverages being prepared and will fit nicely into the design of your kitchen. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio, and it has been my pleasure demonstrating the new Philips 5500 LatteGo hot and cold brew beverage selection. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at Consiglioskitchenware.com. Send us an email, give us a call, live chat with us. Our team is always ready to help you make the most informed decision on your next purchase.